Hello everyone, this is Akanksha from English Logger. In the previous video, we have learnt about verb. What is verb? That is the word that refers to an action, a state of being or possession in a sentence is known as a verb. Now we have action verb which shows action. Then we have state verb. State verb is helping verb, is MR, and possession that is belonging verb, has, have, and had. So these are verbs. Now we are going to start with adverb. So our topic is adverbs. You can see that how I am pronouncing this word add plus verb. If I'm adding something into the verb or if I'm giving some additional information about the verb, that is adverb. So here we'll start with the topic adverb. Let's get started.
Definition that adverbs are words that modify and give additional information about verbs, about adjectives, or other adverb. I am reading this one more time to make you clear about adverbs. Adverbs are those words which modify or which give additional information about any verbs, about any adjective, or other adverbs. Now we can see, or I am gonna explain you this very definition. The very first example is I swim well. Here what is will? I swim. We know swim is a verb. So now what is the function of adverb to modify a verb? So which word is modifying verb in this sentence? That is will. So modifying the verb swim, that is adverb. Swim is a verb and will is an adverb. In the next example, you can see the jellyfish has grown too old. Here, adjective. We have an adjective in the sentence that is old, and adverb is too, that is giving extra information or modifying adjective that is old. In the third example, the team has been winning quite often. So often is an adverb and modifying, that is which modifies the adverb often, that is quite. So in these three sentences we have adverb with, to, and quite. The very first example, read the following passage carefully. We are standing in front of the very beautiful town hall of Kolkata. The town hall was quite artistically built long ago. It stands majestically on Esplanade Road near the Assembly House. I have never seen such a beautiful building. So here you can see the very first adverb which we have, that is very. Next we have quite, artistically, long ago. Ago is a time and that is adverb. It stands majestically. Now we have an adverb, and the next is never. So very modifies the adjective beautiful, quite modifies the adverb artistically, artistically modifies the verb built, long modifies the adverb ago, Ego modifies the verb was built, majestically modifies the verb stands, never modifies the verb seen, very, quite, artistically, long, ago, majestically, and never are called adverbs. So an adverb is a word that modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. So I just hope that you have understood well that how to identify adverbs and adjective. The thing is that an adverb means to modify a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Now here we have few more examples just to make this concept more clear to you that the very first example is he plays cricket well. Here well we have an adverb. She is very beautiful. The tortoise ran very slowly. So here very well, these are adverbs and modifies what that you need to identify it yourself. It is always put up with the word it modifies. Now here we have few more examples.
Now here we have kinds of adverbs. That adverbs are of different kinds, how to identify different kinds of adverbs. Here we'll see that. We have different kinds of adverbs. The very first type of adverb is adverb of place, next adverb of manner, adverbs of degree, adverbs of frequency, adverbs of time, and adverbs of number. There are ways to identify adverbs. There are different ways to identify adverbs, that how you can identify adverbs, that which adverb we are talking about, whether adverbs of place or degree or frequency or time, which adverb we are talking about.
Next we have types of adverbs. Adverbs can be of many types depending on the information they convey. For example, when we talk about adverb of time, so adverb of time always gives an answer of the question when. Similarly, adverb of manner always gives an answer of how. Then we have adverb of place gives an answer of the question where. Next is adverb of degree, that is how much. Adverb of frequency, how often. So in this manner, you can recognize that which adverb we are talking about where, and in this way you can identify also that which adverb we have used where and how, and which question you need to raise or what answer you want to, whether you want to know the answer of adverb of time or manner or place or degree or frequency, what you want to. So on the basis of that, when, how, where, that is basically interrogative, in this manner you can know the answer as well, and you can come to know about that which type of adverb we have used where.
In this session, we have completed adverbs, types of adverbs, and how to identify adverbs. In the next session, we are going to do kinds of or types of adverbs. So stay tuned, do subscribe, do like, and do share my channel, English Logger. Thank you and have a nice day.